Let me tell you why you need to take advantage of registering your land or buying a titled land. Number one is legal recognition. This will help you when the land is registered, or you have a land that is registered, you buy a land that is registered. It will help you from disputes and also from litigation over land ownership. You will not be dragging and be telling people that this is my land because you have a document. This also help you to clarify your boundary. People will not take your land because one of the challenges we have is there's always land disputes and there's always a border dispute. So with a registered land, it will be stated there that your land starts from here and start from here. And also the number 3 thing is it will prevent you from fraud, because the owner of that land will know before someone else sells the land. And if you want to buy that land, you will go and verify, and it's Mr. A is selling the land and his name is not there. Why are you selling the land? So it's very important. Then also number 4 thing I want to make reference to is it helps you to access funds, because your land is registered. It has a CFO, it's registered. You can present it and say, okay, I want money somewhere, and banks will gladly give you because they have what they can bank on. Then also the next one I want to make reference to is this: if you have a registered title land, it increases the property value. You all know that even the land is staying side by side. If this one have title CFO and this one doesn't have title, the price will differ. So when a land have title, it increases the value of that particular property. And also the next one I want to make reference to is when the land have title, it is easier to transfer the ownership, because at the title is already in the registry. So you can say, okay, I bought this land from this person and it's there. I want to transfer the ownership. It will be easier and it will be done without any conflict. Another thing I want to make reference to is it gives you access to public services when you buy a land that have a title, because when government sees that all the land in a particular assets have title, it will make them to start bringing services to that particular asset. That means people are started living in that assets, services like good transportation system, road, because that particular area have more registered title. The next one I want to make reference to is it also improves the land use planning, because the government know, I said it earlier, the government know that this particular area has registered land. The government will start to plan based on that. It helps in that. Another one I want to make reference to is also encourage investment, because when the government notice or individuals notice that everybody in that houses they have registered title, it means that these people, they are serious. It's not just for land banking purpose alone. They are serious. It makes investors to come towards that as. Another part also I want to make reference to is it protects the vulnerability group. That is, if the land is actually registered, it will protect whoever that have that land, especially for those people who are indigenous of a land. You have a particular land and you are indigenous. I would strongly recommend you go and register that land, because it will protect you. And if you don't have the resources, there are ways you can do that by having someone that can sponsor it, so you can give the person some parts. That is another topic on its own. That is land sponsorship on its own. Another good part also, which is not good but it's good, is when a land is registered, it helps the government to collect their tax. So they can collect the levy properly, because you cannot run away. Your details already with the government. Women will come and tell you, hey, bring your money, bring your money. These are a few advantages of a registered title system, which is actually good because it has more benefit than negative. So watch the next video.